I am very proud of it. Actually, I never expected. Whatever you do not expect and it comes on the way, you will be very happy. In that pattern, I am really happy to take part in the celebrations. Whatever you say.
Very interestingly, one more thing happened. We saw that you met Prime Minister Modi as well yesterday. How was the interaction, sir?
I never expected. It was so nice. He himself came and spoke to me as easily as possible. And that is the most likely thing which I never expected.
The Sengol which you made, sir. Can you talk about the Sengol right from 1947 and now at present? Talk about the Sengol, sir.
I was instructed because from the very beginning I was interested in making it. Even when I was about 14 or 15 years old, I was really interested and it came to me or I went to it, all the same.
The legacy, sir, your legacy, the family name will be there, the parliament, so for so many years now. What are your feelings about that, sir?
Very happy that I am associated and my family is associated. And the way you question also makes us go deep into the subject, how it is necessary for anybody to get into politics or say anything good.